Join me for a quick look in Epcot's Living with the Land ride. It's a casual boat ride in lovely AC in the Land Pavilion. Let's see it. Hey there, you're listening to Jenna Loves Magic, where we chat things like tips for planning Disney World trips, including what to do and food to eat. If that sounds good to you, subscribe for more Disney vacation tips. Now let's get to it. All right, so you're going to want to check out the stroller parking outside the Land Pavilion if you're traveling with little ones. There's a ton of other attractions to do in the land, but this is specifically the boat ride that guides you through Living in the Land Pavilion, which is such a nice Disney ride for families.
Welcome to our Living Petals are edible. The starchy root of the plant has long been used.
The Living with the Land ride does not have a height requirement, which is great, and it has a bunch of different greenhouses. They even have like this fish farm inside, and you can learn how hydroponic plants grow. There's also a behind the scenes tour. Check out more videos and posts from Jenna Loves Magic if you are planning your Walt Disney World trip and want some tips and tricks. And if you're a foodie, make sure to visit me on my food channel, Sip Bite Go, because there you can get my recipe for smoked turkey legs that are basically a Disney copycat recipe. I'll teach you how to smoke them, how to bake them in the oven, or how to air fry turkey legs just like you'd get at Disney. That's all for you foodies there. Well, until next time, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you here next time, friend. Cheers! Hey there, you're listening to Jenna Loves Magic, where we chat things like tips for planning Disney World trips, including what to do and food to eat. If that sounds good to you, subscribe for more Disney vacation tips. Now let's get to it.